look how clear that land is over there.
No.
Nice and flat. So that's probably one of the pieces for sale. So, you know, ganging them, they stay like behind here.
Yeah.
Sheesh. Look like someone was making a secret bed.
Yeah, yeah.
You can sleep here for the night. Oh, look, got an attic.
That's how you get up.
No, I'm surprised they didn't find a leak.
Huh?
They didn't find a leak.
Right in the wall. How are you gonna find a leak when especially since it's running fast? The metal doesn't stay wet. After rain, the metal's gonna dry. Yeah. So you're only seeing where the water's landing, not where the water's coming.
True. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense.
Oh, they are concrete wall.